chicken with rotini, tomatoes, and feta. Take it away.
All right, well, this is just a fantastic main course salad. It's extremely versatile and so easy to prepare. So the way we start, Des, is we've got 3 chicken breasts cubed into little bite-sized pieces.
Right.
And then I'm just gonna add, you can use 5 Roma tomatoes or one of those little clamshells of the grape tomatoes, 1 small red onion, about 12 sliced Kalamata olives, a whole cup of crumbled feta, and then I'm gonna add our cooked pasta.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna get you to add the pop of flavor here.
Okay.
2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of balsamic, and 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped basil, or if you have dry, a tablespoon of dry is perfect too. And then about half a teaspoon of pepper.
Chicken with rotini, tomatoes, and feta.
This is ready to go,
Done.
Des, and it is so delicious. It's just a beautiful combination of flavors and so easy to prepare.